Choosing the right base coat is essential to achieving a long-lasting, professional quality manicure. Whether you're looking for a base coat to prevent nail staining, promote adhesion, or protect your nails, it can be overwhelming to choose the perfect one. In this video, we'll review the 5 best base coats for nails, each offering unique benefits and features to suit different needs. Let's dive in and find the right base coat for your nails. Kicking off our list at number 1, Seche Clear. Seche Clear is a well-known and highly regarded base coat in the nail care industry. It's famous for its clear finish and ability to provide a smooth base for your nail polish application. Whether you are applying a standard lacquer or gel polish, Seche Clear promises superior adhesion and durability. Key features: Seche Clear is a fast-drying, high-gloss base coat that helps prevent staining and yellowing of nails. The formula is designed to create a seamless surface for your polish, making it easier for the color to adhere evenly. The quick-dry formula allows you to proceed with the rest of your manicure without having to wait too long. Benefits and usage: this base coat is ideal for those who want a reliable layer to protect their nails from staining. It works wonders for both natural nails and artificial enhancements, providing a foundation that ensures your manicure lasts longer. Simply apply a thin coat of Seche Clear to your nails before applying your color, and you'll notice an improved finish and durability. Usability: the formula glides on smoothly without streaking, and its fast-drying action means you don't have to waste time waiting for your base coat to set. However, because it dries so quickly, it's essential to apply it swiftly and with precision to avoid uneven layers. The brush is user-friendly, ensuring that the application process is both quick and easy. Durability: Seche Clear excels in providing a long-lasting base for your nail polish. Its quick-dry nature ensures that your manicure sets faster, minimizing the risk of smudges or dents. When paired with a quality top coat, you'll be left with a manicure that can last for days without chipping or fading. In the second spot, we have China Glaze Strong Adhesion. The China Glaze Strong Adhesion base coat is designed to promote better adhesion between your natural nails and nail polish. This base coat is especially suitable for individuals who have trouble getting their nail polish to stick or those who want to enhance the longevity of their manicure. Key features: the unique formula of this base coat contains special ingredients that create a better bond between your nails and the polish. This results in fewer chips and peels. It's a go-to for anyone who wants their manicure to last longer and look fresher for a more extended period. Plus, it's free from harmful chemicals like formaldehyde, making it a safer option for your nails. Benefits and usage: this base coat is perfect for individuals who experience issues with nail polish adhesion. The product works by forming a stronger bond with the nail surface, ensuring that the nail polish stays intact longer. To use, simply apply a thin layer of the base coat to your nails before applying your color polish. It's ideal for anyone looking to increase the wear time of their manicure. Usability: the brush is soft and easy to maneuver, ensuring an even application of the base coat. This base coat does not leave streaks or clumps behind, and it dries quickly, allowing you to apply your nail polish without delay. Its consistency is smooth and not too thick, making it perfect for those who want a simple, no-fuss manicure process. Durability: China Glaze Strong Adhesion base coat excels at prolonging the life of your nail polish. It enhances adhesion, so you can expect your nails to stay chip-free for much longer than usual. Even with frequent hand washing or exposure to water, your manicure will remain intact, making it a durable and dependable choice. Coming in at number 3 is the Revlon Quick Dry Base Coat. Revlon Quick Dry Base Coat is designed for those who want to speed up their manicure routine without sacrificing quality. This base coat offers fast-drying properties while maintaining the protective features needed for a longer-lasting manicure. Key features: as the name suggests, Revlon Quick Dry Base Coat dries quickly to ensure you can continue your manicure without waiting. It provides a smooth, even base and helps to protect nails from staining and discoloration. The formula is enriched with ingredients that nourish and strengthen your nails, keeping them healthy while providing a solid foundation for your polish. Benefits and usage. If you're someone who's always in a rush but still wants a flawless manicure, this base coat is perfect for you. The quick dry formula ensures minimal waiting time, so you can quickly follow up with your favorite nail color. To use, simply apply a thin layer over your nails and allow it to dry before applying your colored polish. Usability. Revlon's quick dry base coat has a smooth and easy application process, as the formula glides evenly over the nail surface. The brush is designed for easy maneuvering, providing precise application without the risk of smudging. The fast-drying formula ensures that your base coat won't interfere with the rest of your manicure process. Durability. Though it's fast-drying, the durability of Revlon Quick Dry Base Coat is impressive. When paired with a high-quality top coat, you can expect your manicure to last for several days without chipping or fading. It also provides a protective layer that helps prevent staining from darker polishes, ensuring that your nails stay healthy and polished. Taking our fourth spot is Essie Treat Love and Color Base Coat. Essie Treat Love and Color Base Coat is designed to go beyond simply serving as a base for your nail color. It's a dual-purpose product that not only provides a flawless foundation for your manicure, but also helps nourish and strengthen your nails. Key features. The base coat contains Essie's signature formula enriched with nourishing ingredients like shea butter and antioxidants. These help repair damaged nails while providing a long-lasting base for color. It's available in various shades, so you can even use it as a subtle tint on its own or as a base for your favorite Essie color. Benefits and usage. Essie Treat Love and Color Base Coat is perfect for anyone looking to nourish their nails while achieving a flawless manicure. This base coat strengthens nails over time and helps to reduce nail breakage. To use, apply one thin layer of the base coat to clean nails, and let it dry before applying your color. It's ideal for those looking for a base coat that also promotes healthy nail growth. Usability. The formula is easy to apply and dries relatively quickly, making it a practical choice for those on a tight schedule. The smooth consistency ensures a seamless application, and the brush allows for precise application along the edges of the nails. It's an easy-to-use product, making it suitable for beginners and experts alike. Durability. Essie Treat Love and Color Base Coat not only provides excellent adhesion, but also contributes to the overall strength and health of your nails. When used regularly, this base coat can significantly improve the condition of your nails. Your manicure will last longer, and your nails will look healthier and more resilient over time. And finally, at number 5, we have Kiss Gel Strong Base Coat. Kiss Gel Strong Base Coat is designed specifically for individuals who want a gel-like finish without the need for UV light. This base coat promises to provide the strength of gel polish while maintaining ease of use for at-home manicures. Key features. Kiss Gel Strong Base Coat is a long-lasting, chip-resistant formula that delivers a gel-like finish without the use of UV lamps. It helps create a solid base for your nail color while promoting durability and strength. The formula is enriched with a blend of bonding agents that enhance adhesion and help your manicure last longer. Benefits and usage. For those who want the benefits of gel nails without the hassle of UV lamps, Kiss Gel Strong Base Coat is a game-changer. It provides a smooth, even surface that enhances the longevity of your manicure. To use, simply apply a thin layer to clean nails, then follow up with your desired polish for a flawless, long-lasting finish. Usability. The formula is easy to apply and dries quickly, allowing you to complete your manicure in a fraction of the time it would take for traditional gel nails. The brush offers precise application, and the consistency ensures that the base coat doesn't streak or clump. Kiss Gel Strong Base Coat is perfect for anyone looking for a quick and efficient base coat option. Durability. When used as part of a full manicure system, Kiss Gel Strong Base Coat provides excellent durability. Your nails will stay chip-free for a longer time compared to using standard base coats. The gel-like finish adds extra strength to your manicure, making it ideal for individuals who need their polish to last through daily activities without chipping. That concludes our list of the best base coats for nails. Each of these products provides unique benefits, whether you're looking for quick drying time, long-lasting durability, or added nail care. We hope this video helped you find the perfect base coat for your next manicure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite base coat or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.